And good evening now. We begin tonight with the City of Columbia's failed mask mandate for schools. Today, the state Supreme Court weighed in, saying city law can't contradict state law. News 19's Alicia Nieves tonight with community reaction.
It's not just our family we're talking about, it's a community.
The state Supreme Court struck down Columbia's school mask mandate, meaning the decision of whether a child will wear a mask in class is left in the hands of parents.
You have different opinions out here, and some people feel as if it's not real.
The High Court says the proviso has, quote, unmistakable clarity that schools cannot require masks or they'd risk losing state funding. The court says the decision was solely based on the rule of law and not on their personal opinion of masks in schools. Attorney General Alan Wilson says the court emphasized what his office has been saying all along, that they're not arguing mask policy, but the rule of law, and a city ordinance cannot conflict with state law. Governor Henry McMaster called the decision a sound conclusion based on the rule of law, adding that a parent's right to decide what's best for their child is now definitively protected by state law. Meanwhile, Columbia Mayor Steve Benjamin called this a sad day for children in South Carolina, saying what's even sadder is the people who have been elected to protect children, who should always and only act to keep them healthy, educated, and alive, won't fight for them.
I've seen how COVID affected families.
Rochelle Sandoval, a mother and nurse in the Midlands, doesn't agree with the court's decision.
One parent might be okay with it, another parent might not be. So how is it going to be in school? Next year, if COVID still exists, I would definitely have him wear a mask.
Renisha Richardson also supports masks in schools.
Sometimes you don't have symptoms, so there's a chance right there to send somebody to school with no mask, and once they go in there, it spreads like wildfire.
Her son Carson says he wears a mask at school and only takes it off during recess.
And if you go to school, and you definitely need to wear a mask because everybody loves you and they want to protect you and they don't want you to pass away.
Alicia Nieves, News 19, WLTX.